So I want to share one of the important lesson that I have learned from my cycling from last 5,200 kilometers. I think it is right time to share that. It is which battle do we need to fight in a day or in our life? Choosing that battle correctly, choosing the odds correctly, which we should deal with. This is something where most of us would, try to fight with all odds in a day and try to get frustrated. At the end of the day, you get frustrated and go to bed as if you didn't achieve anything. So I just want to give one tip from my cycling experience, which I have learned and I'm practicing also. So every day, any day, if I go for a ride, so I might face many battling elements. I might have to deal with so many odds, odds such as maybe one day it is a headwind, one day it may be terrain, one day it may be what could be, maybe I'm not fit. There might be so many odds, right? Maybe my planning was wrong. So what I used to do in life and in cycling at the early days, like I used to fight with all the battles and be very strong and as if I want to win all the battles. I at the end of the day, what happened in life and as well as in cycling, I did not win any of those wars, whether it is in life or cycling. Every time those elements defeated me, and I'm the one who get frustrated at the end of the day and try to lose hope on next day. So as I do cycling during lockdown, and I think last out of those 5,000, last 3,000 kilometers came very quickly from last 6 months, I think. So what those 3,000 kilometers exactly taught me, whenever I face any odd or any battling element that I have to deal with on any single day, I will just accept that. Okay, this day I have to deal with headwind. This day I have to deal with terrain. So from that moment onwards, I could see my mind reacting to that battling element or to that odd very differently. It is not trying to fight with that element, it is trying to adjust its plans, adjust its approach towards ride of that day. Because ultimate battling element for me on any day when I'm cycling is, I have to enjoy the ride and finish it successfully, right, as I thought, as I wish. So that should be my ultimate battling goal, ultimate battling element. But what I was doing in the past, like just being very larger than life mindset. So trying to beat every battling element. Headwind means, okay, let's fight with that